Hello guys. So in the last couple of days, I have noticed that the views count in the About section of my YouTube page has been stuck. Yes, and what I mean stuck, it is totally frozen. Okay, so I have got 3 YouTube channels and I have noticed this on all of my channels, and it is a concern for a lot of my fellow content creators. A lot of people have contacted me and said, "Oh, have you noticed that the views count on the About section of your video isn't going up?" They have been asking me, why isn't the views count on my channel not going up? And how can I update the views count on my channel? So in this video, I will be showing you how to check the current views of your channel. So the first thing you need to do to check your YouTube views count is to log into YouTube Creative Studio. Once you've logged into YouTube Creative Studio, then you can go into your analytics. Inside your analytics, you will see your total views count for 28 days. Further on over into the right hand side, you can check your views count for 60 days, 90 days, 365 days, a lifetime. You can check all your views and see what your total views count is on your YouTube channel. So I'm showing you guys the views count for my channel for the last 28 days, okay? And then I am going to show you guys the views count for my channel for the past 90 days. So this is what my view count is for the past 90 days. This is the amount of views that is being shown in YouTube Creative Studio. So now I go onto the About section of my YouTube channel, and here you can see that the views is totally different. Okay, another way of checking your views count is via TubeBuddy. So if you use TubeBuddy, you can log in and you can see what your views count is total. TubeBuddy has got like a milestone. So there you will see how much more views you need to get a milestone certificate. This also works in regards to subscribers and upload. So guys, if you've got any further questioning, please feel free to leave me a comment in the comment box below. Also, leave me a comment about what you think about the recent changes on YouTube and how this is affecting your channel. So YouTube is saying that there is a glitch in the system and they are working really hard to help solve this problem. So please don't worry if you have seen this happening to your channel over the past couple of days. It is an error and it's a glitch in the YouTube system, and they're working very hard to sort it out. So hopefully this video has helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on my next video.